few years ago, I burned out. Not due to overwork, but, and this may surprise you, due to innovation. As an academic, I had spent 2 years writing one research proposal after the other, each expected to be newer, more original, bolder than the last. And this is what I learned. Reinventing yourself once in a while, that's fine. But doing so all the time is not. It leads to alienation and exhaustion. It leads to what you may call innovation fatigue. When I returned to work, I realized I wasn't alone. My colleagues instantly recognized the condition, the constant pressure to produce something new, to rebrand, to innovate just for the sake of it. And indeed, the entire scientific system, from funders to journals, from universities to the media, reward novelty above all else. This has dire consequences. Ideas need time to mature, need to be tested and retested and refined before they become reliable knowledge. When that process breaks down, you get what we're seeing today. Experiments fail to replicate, methods scramble under close scrutiny, patents under-deliver, and a public trust that quietly erodes. In my book Neomania, I trace this polycrisis to one single cause, our collective obsession with innovation. I trace how this ethos took hold, how it reshaped the institutions of science, and how it's undermining the very foundations of scientific inquiry. But Neomania is also a story of renewal. I outline a future in which science slows down to address the questions that matter most to us. It's a future where coordination replaces fragmentation and collaboration replaces competition. It's a future, thus, in which the cure for my own innovation fatigue serves as a model for a more trustworthy science.